Hi, I'm Aarnav Shah. I spent 8 years at RFL and I'm now planning to pursue robotics at Carnegie Mellon University School of Computer Science. As a 7-year-old kid, I think RFL was my first exposure to engineering and STEM, and I think it nurtured my interest and turned it into a passion for robotics. Starting from the most basic Lego NXT work, I went on to participate with RFL in 5 WROs, 2 FLLs and 1 FGC, winning international awards in the process. Further, I think RFL's way of conducting student-driven explorations of STEM are something that stick with you and help you naturally develop this spike that top-ranking universities are looking for in your profile. I'm highly grateful to all the coaches at RFL for being my mentors, guides and friends in the process. Ashwin sir's letter of recommendation, I believe, was also pivotal in my college application, which resulted in numerous STEM-related acceptances, including, of course, from CMU. As an RFL alumni, I'm going to take forward the nature to continually learn, a knack for creativity, and a dedication towards my passion for STEM. I'm proud to be an RFLite for life.